Hello friends, we're going into 2023. We have to make it a banger. What better way to do it? Taking Wagyu steaks, mincing it, making an arrabbiata meatball sub, topped with cheese, smoked, delicious. It's gonna be amazing. Here we go. I got these Silent Valley Wagyu steaks from a Checkers around the corner from me, and they were beautiful. Once I sliced into the meat, it was amazing to see the marbling that's in between the steak. The fat is just so beautifully intertwined. It really makes for a lot of flavor, so I decided to make smoked meatballs with this steak. And wow, what an experience it was. Look at that marbling in that steak. It's really amazing. You can see the fat in between the meat. It's incredible. Now, you know, in a Greek house, you've got an old school Kenwood mixer, so that's what we had to use to grind the meat. We made a bit of a mistake because we put the blade the wrong way around, but once we got it right, we were able to make the mince. It really came out super good. And just like that, friends, I have my beautiful Wagyu mince. Look here, it's nice. I reckon it's about 50% fat, 50% meat. It's gonna be juicy and tender. We're gonna smoke them. It's gonna be delicious. I can't wait. So now to make the meatballs is really simple. First of all, I'm going to chop an onion and I'm going to dice it into small pieces. Then once I'm ready, I get my mince and I start adding all my separate ingredients. I do a little bit differently than a normal Greek recipe, but I add onion, I put 1 egg to about 500 grams of mince, put a bit of breadcrumbs, some parsley, some salt and pepper, and then I put the 6-gun barbecue spice just to give it a bit of zest. And then it was time to mix up my meatballs. Once it was mixed, I could make my meatballs. I'll show you here how big I made them. I got about 7 meatballs out of 500 grams of Wagyu. Once my meatballs were rolled into balls, it was ready to cook. I'm gonna smoke these meatballs with some pecan wood that I got from the shop in Pretoria. I keep saying it's gonna be delicious, but it is gonna be delicious. We're gonna smoke the meatballs. It's gonna penetrate into the meat through the fat because remember, it's Wagyu steak, so there's a lot of fat in it. It's gonna be yum. It's gonna be cool. I added my pecan wood to my hot coals to create the smoke that is gonna go into the meat. Then I put my hot skillet on to get it nice and hot. Got shouted at because I'm cheating, but I had to use this Monte Verde pasta sauce. This Italian pasta sauce. Yeah, we got to eat it. Hey! That's some spicy meatballs. I was so excited when they were ready, so I took them off and it was time to build our delicious sub. You have to heat up your roll on the braai. Then I sliced my cheese because I was going to do something special with cheese. As you can see here, on a spatula, put up my cheese so they can get warm and melted. Then I'm building my sub. First goes the meatballs, then that delicious arrabbiata sauce that you saw us heating up instead of making, but heating up. It was really good. And then after that, we're going to put provolone cheese. I much prefer provolone than mozzarella because provolone has more of a taste to it. Then after that, it was time for our secret ingredients, the cheese. Oh my word, it was incredible. Look at this melted cheese. If you're on a diet, you're in the wrong place because this is delicious. Guys, I feel like I'm at the Vol Dam and I just caught the fish of the day. Look how big this thing is. It's gonna be great. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe to this channel. I can't tell you how excited I am to try this. Cheers. Wow. That is incredible. Smoky flavor with the arrabbiata sauce and the amazing. Keep on cooking, my friends.